Hello again, fifth graders. We're moving into our phonics work for the day. And as you can see in the picture, we're going to need my word study book. Okay, and again, our focus for today will be to build automaticity. Okay, work on open syllable words that we can read quickly without having to stop and sound them out. All right, so for today, you'll read through this list, okay, and you'll read through it more than one time. And I'll even, at the end of this video, I'll read through it one time if you'd like to read with me before you read them on your own. Okay, but you're going to start by underlining the open syllables in each word. Now, last week we worked on closed syllables. So I challenge you to think back. What is a closed syllable? Okay, if you said that the syllable ends in a consonant, you are right. Okay, when there's a closed syllable, we know that the vowel makes it short sound. All right, now the opposite is true for the open syllable. Okay, so when a word has a syllable that ends with a vowel, okay, if the syllable ends in a vowel, we know that it is an open syllable. And we also know that vowel is going to make its long sound. Okay, so let's find a word on here. The first word on our list is silent. Silent. So sigh is the first syllable, and it ends in a vowel. So that makes it an open syllable. So that would be a good one to circle. And you notice how the I is making its long sound. It's saying its name. Okay, that's because it's an open syllable. All right, so you're going to circle as many open syllables that you can find in or on this Build Automaticity sheet. All right, and then you're going to pronounce each word with someone. Okay, practice reading the words on your own. And when you are ready, have someone time you for 1 minute, okay, as you read the words. Right, and you'll notice at the bottom of the page, there's 3 separate places that you can read through these words and have someone time you, okay, with the goal of getting faster each time. All right, if you're confident in reading these words, you're going to feel free to turn off the video. If you would like to read the words below the gray line with me, stay here. Okay, so remember that this gray line right down the center divides, I hate to say easier because that's not necessarily the case, but more complex words, words with more syllables, we're going to find below the line. All right, so I'm going to read right at the top, starting with museum, and I'll read down, move to the next column and read down, okay, and so on until we finish the list. Okay, the first one is museum, notion, grocery, totally, semi-pro, overcome, inspiration, beloved, profile, notion, uniform, overcome, sequence, vital, semi-final, antisocial, concentration, relationship, semi-final, semi-pro, stereo, inspiration, legally, reproduce, antisocial, grocery, sequence, legally, photograph, pliers, radio, beloved, photograph, pre-trial, concentration, totally, vital, reproduce, free trial, deformed, eventful, profile, pliers, deformed, relationship, museum, uniform, stereo, radio, eventful. All right, go ahead and start your work for today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.